How have you guys been? I have been doing good. Oh my god. Y'all, I have hit 1K. What? I cannot believe I freaking hit 1K. 1K, and I haven't even recorded like in a month. Thank you, dolls, so much. Thank you so much for your support. Oh my god, I can't believe that you guys are still subscribing to me and supporting me after a month. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh my god, it's so many of y'all want to thank, and I didn't even write y'all names down, but it's like I had to celebrate this because it's like 1K is a big deal. It's like I cannot believe I got to 1K, and I'm just like, oh my god. So y'all, dolls, I had to celebrate with you, dolls. Thank you so much for just supporting me and subscribing to me, hitting me up, messaging me, sharing my videos. You dolls, oh my god, you guys are the best subscribers I could ever have. My OG subscribers, thank you so much. Oh my god, thank you so much. I cannot believe I hit 1K finally. Dolls, I had to get some cupcakes, y'all. You know, your girl had to really celebrate. I had to get some cupcakes and everything and just celebrate this. And I got me some vegan wine. I really just had to celebrate with you, dolls, because it's just, I cannot believe I hit 1K. 2020 has been going really crazy. It's been a hell of a horrible year, I think, for everyone. And it's just the fact that you dolls and you guys, I don't even have guy subscribers, just take the time to come to my page, support, leave good feedback. Even the haters, because I get haters too. Your comments don't ever make, my main comments because I filter everything out. But thank you so much for subscribing to me, because y'all do, and giving me y'all views, and leaving feedback, because it's only helping me grow. And that's the beauty of it. And what's so crazy, y'all? I was going to quit this channel. I was going to quit. I didn't tell you guys, and excuse my horrible nails, they're just like coming off. But I don't care, dolls. I had to celebrate this because I was feeling down. I was like, oh man, I haven't recorded in a month. What am I gonna do about my channel? And I almost gave up. And one of my friends was like, you know what? Don't give up on your channel. Because I'm the only black pinup channel. And it's just so cool to see. I'm still getting comments. I'm still getting subscribers. And it's been a month since my last video. So just the fact that you guys, still watch my videos, I still inspire y'all to get into this pinup community, means a lot to me. And I'm happy I can be the voice for some of you dolls. I'm happy I can inspire you. I'm happy that I motivate you to get beautiful. I'm happy I help y'all with your makeup and your hair and the clothes and choices y'all want to make for your pinup journey. I'm just so happy I can be that. So I have to, cheers to that. Cheers to you dolls. And cheers for hopefully next year is a better year than this year. I'm just, looking forward for all the new opportunities I have. I've been getting, a lot of good feedback on this channel, and I'm just ready to push it to the limit. Another thing I'm ready to do is to add more people, because I never got a shout out on my channel. I never did a collab. I did this, by myself, just pushing myself to record, and I don't want to hand out or anything, but I'm just happy to have you guys by my side, in my corner. I can be the worst uploader in the world. I'm constantly apologizing to you dolls, saying, oh, I'm sorry, but you dolls still stick. And that means a lot to me. I would never take you dolls for granted for supporting my channel. I would never, take you dolls for granted thinking I'm getting big-headed. No matter how big this channel gets, and you can quote me on this, I will never take you dolls for granted for just, supporting me, being there for me, sharing, giving me words of encouragement. There's days because I deal with depression, And there's times where I don't feel like I'm the most beautiful. I don't feel like I'm the most, I don't feel like I'm beautiful. I don't feel like I have a nice body. Sometimes I feel like I'm overweight, and I have my own insecurities, but it just feels good when I put on these retro vintage clothes, dolls. I feel like I'm the most beautiful as a vintage pinup of, pinup in the world. I feel like I'm the most beautiful as, black Latina, whatever you want to call Afro Latina pinup ever. And it feels good to just have that community, have that support behind me that pushes me. And you dolls push me so much. Even the fellas, even some of y'all like my videos, even though y'all don't wear makeup, y'all still like it. And it feels good. It even feels good having family support me and say, hey, what's your channel? Let me support you. It feels good, and I don't want to hand out or anything, because everything I do on my own, and I make sure I put in the work for this channel to grow. I haven't did it in a month because I had a big move, and it's just the whole coronavirus thing. It's been slowing a lot of stuff down because I had so many more plans, and it just, I know it put a lot of people's lives on a standstill, and it's in limbo. But it's the fact that you dolls take, because I don't know what y'all go through daily, but it's the fact that y'all take y'all time to still watch my channel and support, and to, just give me the utmost love. And I will forever be grateful for you dolls, and I will never take it for granted, no matter how big my channel, or if it stays this size, or how big it is. I still am going to remain humble and down to earth. I'm still going to remain me. Because I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm grateful, and I would never take that for granted. And I just want to tell you dolls, thank you for just supporting, and thank you, for watching. And I know I mess up on my videos. Sometimes the lighting's off, sometimes I ramble, sometimes I mess up on my makeup, hair, whatever. But it's the fact that you dolls still stick with me, and that means a lot. And it's growing organically. It's not, I'm not buying subscribers, I'm not doing nothing to manipulate you guys. I'm not putting 1,000,000,001 crazy links for y'all to buy stuff. It's just the pureness of my channel, how much I love what I do on here. It's purely me. And I want to thank you dolls for that. I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to, teach you dolls, especially the black pinups of this community, because we don't have a space. We don't have a place to go. So it feels good to have a space up here, and I'm glad to be that space, and I'm glad to get criticism, get feedback, as long as it's coming from a good place and it's not coming from nowhere cruel, because I do monitor everything. But it just feels good to be back, because I took a long hiatus, and I'm glad to be back. I have so many videos planned and ready to show y'all some looks, honey. And I'm just happy to, be able to share my vintage retro pinup world with you dolls. So yes, thank you so much. I'm just so happy that you guys subscribe to me. It's just crazy seeing that number. And it's like, I was sad that day, and I got an email saying, oh, you got, you hit 1K on your thing. I'm like, what? I hit 1K? I have not even recorded in a month and I hit 1K. You guys you guys are the best. You guys shock me. And it's crazy. It's amazing and crazy. It's just wow. And I know to some subscribers it's like, oh wow, it's just 1K. But from a little channel like me, because I started off with 15 subscribers, went up to 100, and it just started growing. For me, it means a lot. It has a lot. It means a lot. It has a big meaning to it. And I'm just so happy to, share this moment with you dolls and guys, gents. And I want to come up with a name for my subscribers. I don't know. I want to come up with a cute name. So if y'all have any suggestions, leave them in the, in the comments below. I know they rearranged the comments. YouTube is changing and getting crazier. It's just hard for me to navigate things, and it's crazy because I started off, and I'm still on this little phone, my little iPhone. I record everything on, and I'm still trying to elevate my game, get better at editing, get a camera, get a better laptop. I have my studio lights, I have my ring light and everything, but it's just, I'm glad that you guys can appreciate the growth in my channel and the production I'm trying to put forth, even though it takes a little bit because it is just me investing in it. But it means a lot to me. And so I'm just happy, dolls, for you guys just supporting me and being on this journey with me. So, once again, dolls and gents, thank you so much for supporting this channel. And I love you, dolls. And I will see you, dolls, again soon in the next video. Bye, dolls.